or somebody ask something or ask favor from you. You ask favor from this guy and then he said no, or you ask favor from your friends, from your mom, from your dad or your siblings, and they say no. That means they're teaching you to be independent. So don't get mad, wag sasama ang loob kung sometimes there are people that let you down. They're teaching you how to be independent, or if you're asking a favor and they say no, it's okay. Any problem you're facing is teaching you how to get a solution to the problems. And any attack you get from people is teaching you the best form of defense. Another one is anyone who looks down on you is teaching you how to look up to the Creator. That means you need to, you know, baka kulang ka na ng panalangin, tumawag ka sa Panginoon. Ask God's help, ask God's guidance. And always look out for the lesson in every situations that you face in every phase of life. And be polite, calm, gentle. This is hard at first, especially if you're mad. And then be thankful to God because He will be with you to the end. And life has taught us lessons that do not see people at my crossroad because humans are not reliable. I only see God as the author and finisher of my faith. We have here a reflections. When you live your life without anyone betraying, hurting, disappointing, disgracing, or offending you, then it means you never did anything worthy. The people of life, the beauty of life is that it comes with disappointments. And it's really sad if people disappoints you, but that's life. If it comes with disappointments and betrayals from people you least expect. Unfortunately, some of us spend so much time crying over these betrayals and disappointments and end up becoming victims of all circumstances. Remember one thing: holding on to anger is like knocking your head on the wall and expecting the other person to feel the pain. You are, but it's not what's happening. You are the only one who's hurting yourself. If you will holding on to that anger. The fact is that the world is full of annoying, naughty, stupid, ungrateful people. Yes, that's true. That's the fact. The world is full of annoying, naughty, stupid, and ungrateful people, and you will always come across them at one point or another in life. But the best thing to do is to deal with them with wisdom and maturity. And you can get everyone to love you, think like you, or behave like you. You cannot you cannot get anyone to love you, think like you, or behave like you. Never. So we must learn to tolerate and overlook certain things. We must try to bury the faults of others and move on with life. Anger, hatred, and intolerance have caused most of the world's problems, and